In a quiet Liberian village, where life revolves around the rhythms of nature and tradition, a dark cloud loomed over the community. This is the story of Gortokai, a young man whose life was forever changed by an unexpected tragedy. Gortokai, a hard-working and humble young man, spent his days tending to the cassava patch. He dreamed of a simple life, filled with peace and prosperity. The village elders' words were a reminder of the close-knit nature of their community. But even in such a place, darkness can find its way. One fateful night, the tranquility of the village was shattered, a crime so unthinkable it left everyone in shock. The body of Tene, a young woman known for her kindness, was found in the cassava patch. Suspicion and fear spread like wildfire. Gortokai's life was turned upside down. Accused of a crime he did commit, he faced the wrath of his own community. With determination and the help of his friend Kai, Gortokai set out to uncover the truth. They talked to villagers, examined the scene, and pieced together clues. The villagers gathered, eager to hear the revelation. Gortokai's bravery and determination had led him to the truth. With the evidence laid bare, the real culprit was revealed. It was someone driven by jealousy and anger, someone who had tried to frame Gortokai. Gortokai's name was cleared, but the pain of Tene's loss remained. The village vowed to be more vigilant, to protect each other from such darkness. Murder in the cassava patch is a tale of innocence, betrayal, and the quest for justice. It reminds us that even in the most peaceful places, we must be vigilant and stand together against the forces that seek to tear us apart.